Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing into the word of Mima dress. We are creating meet comforted navy blue perfumes, bring beauty of into your home. And into the video we are creating beautiful Mima dress. Mima dress are the color combinations and the meaningful designings. Mima dressing are they good looking to like? Are they beautiful dressings? Are not just accessories, they are a reflection of your personality and the warmth. Handmade Mima dress. Every stitch carries patience and creative, turning simple things into something ancient and lasting. Whether you are decorating your dining tables, delicate the personal polishing designing. As you make go, you see the pattern blossom like modern. Mima dress are the nice designings, are the nice designing, are the nice colorings, and will bring your idea to life. Finish with bicoat border for a polished decoratives, modern designing and matching your shoe and earring are your comfortable colors and hidden colorings to the beautiful candle dishes or for even as your wall decorations. If you enjoy summer or the winter season to the beautiful and wedding accessories or baby shower or the culture to your designing. Same simple yet elegant classic and modern handmade designings are the few of the foreigns for available your Mima dress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Mima dress home decoration idea and creative inspirations. Tell us in the comment what kind of table you don't like to see next. Thank you. Care for above and well-being. Your idea to life. Until next time, keep Mima dress with love and let